Okay, first let's learn how to protect our entire worksheet from modification. To do this, navigate to the review tab. I have the data here. Navigate to the review tab. Here, you will find the option to protect the worksheet with the password. Okay. Step 1, protecting the worksheet. Click on the protect sheet option. Click on the protect sheet option. Then assign a password, general password 1234 or whatever is or as you comfortable. Now I'll use 1234. So this password will serve as the key to authorizing any modifications without it. So users can only view or select cells, but they won't be able to do any changes, okay, on this particular worksheet. Now, what if you want to allow others to modify? In that case, you will have to share the password with them. We'll come to that later. Selected the password, click OK. Will ask you to re-enter the password. Enter once again. Click OK. Now, if you notice, earlier it was a different format. If you notice, earlier it was saying protect the sheet, right? Protect sheet. Now, after entering the password, it is saying unprotect the sheet. Okay. Now, you try to enter, add or delete or do any modification in this, get the error because the sheet is protected. Now, how do you share this protected worksheet with others? So sharing the password to allow someone to modify the data, they need to enter the password. If you need to share the password, users can go to the unprotect sheet option. As you can see here, they'll have to come to the review, unprotect sheet, and enter the password provided, then click OK to gain access to make any changes. Now you can delete or you can add, you can modify the sheet basically. Okay. So this is basically used, avoiding unintentional modifications. You can protect the worksheet, with the password. So this will be a confidence file. So there is one more scenario. If somebody wants specific, if they want specific cells to be modified, rated, for example here. So what we have to do before we protecting a sheet, before you log the sheet, what you have to do, just go here, go to the data, right click on it, go to format cells. Here, go to the protection, unlock, is a checkbox, click OK. Now go to protect sheet, the formula, you can't delete this, can't delete this, and delete this. You can add, modify, okay? You can update this particular cell, because this particular cell, if you remember, before we protect this sheet, we unlocked by going into the format cells. So one specific cell we can do this, or for particular cells we can do this. Okay, after protecting the data, after protecting the sheet, any users whom you are going to share the workbook, they will only be able to view or select the cells without making any changes. Without the password, they'll not be able to make any changes. It is simple but effective way to control access to your worksheet.